up guys, Chad here, back again, and I'm here with another video. Alright, today I'm here with the Mavic Air 2. This just came in the mail today. And as you can see, I'm a little bit more excited than usual. I'm excited because this is my first DJI drone. This little baby comes with a lot of features. It has a 4K camera that can record up to 60 frames per second, and also you can record in 1080p up to 240 frames per second. That's if you want to record some silky smooth slow-mo. It also has all the intelligent features like Active Track 3.0, Point of Interest 3.0, and it also uses the OcuSync 2.0 transmission system, which allows you to take this thing out to 10 kilometers. So I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. But first, we're gonna do an unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. And we're gonna see what comes with this Fly More combo. All right, let's get into it. So on the box it says AirSense ADS-B, and that's the tracking system that'll alert you when other aircraft or manned aircraft is in the area. In the box you get a nice little black bag. This is actually smaller than what I expected. They said it was small, but you know, this is kind of small, so that's cool. All right, so in the bag you get nice little pockets here on the outside. Nice little compact bag. Surprised they can fit everything in here. It's a Fly More combo. All right. So you get your aircraft here. All right, this is nice. Wow. My first DJI drone. This thing is nice and small. Smaller than my other drones. Nice. Now let's see what else is in the bag real quick. All right, so you get your aircraft, then you get your controller. Nice. Get your controller. Then you get all your other accessories in here. Take all this stuff out. Nothing else in the bag. Hold on, I think I forgot something. Also, I believe I forgot something. In this top compartment, you get a couple more things. So you get your extra cables here. It comes with a lightning cable inside the remote already. And then you have your USB-C to USB-C. Then you have your USB-C to micro USB. Then you have your charging cable. I believe it's for your remote, your USB to USB-C. Then there's a charging hub that comes with it that connects to your battery like this. And then you can plug in whatever you need to charge, if it's your phone or your remote or something. You can charge it this way. Nice. Then you have your filters, and inside you get 3 filters. Let me look and see what they say. It's ND16, ND64, and ND256. I got to learn how to use these. And then also you get your joysticks, your extra set of joysticks there. Okay, that's it. Now I'm back to the unboxing. But it has a lot of compartments and it fits everything in there. Wow. All right, so you get your accessories here. This is like one of the batteries. And the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. One inside the drone when it's shipped. And then you have 2 extra ones here. Take this out. Get your charging brick. and your cable for the charging brick. And this is where you connect your battery here. Battery connector. And you plug this in. And then it looks like you have a USB port here if you want to charge something else like a phone or maybe your remote also. That's cool. Then here you have your battery bank. Charges 3 batteries, not simultaneously, but one after another, I believe. And you just plug this in here. And then you place your batteries on top, like so. I believe that's the way it goes. Yep, that's it. Like so, and you charge. Now I've seen some videos in reference to charging your batteries, your initial charge to your batteries. It was suggested that you should charge it with the single charger initially. Charge all your batteries with the single charger initially, separately, before you charge it on the battery bank. There's some type of bug. I'm not sure if DJI corrected it or not, or whatever. I'm pretty sure they probably sent out some firmware to correct the problem, but there's something with charging using the multi-charger and activating your batteries. If you try to activate your batteries with the multi-charger, you may damage your battery and it probably wouldn't operate. So just go ahead and charge your batteries initially with just this single charger here. And then after that, you can start charging them on the battery bank. All right. All right, now in here, you also get, let's see how many props you get. I believe you get a full set. Actually, you get 2 sets, I believe, of props. So the Fly More combo comes with 3 sets of props. 3 full sets of props. That's great. And also you get your quick start guide and another Fly More combo manual or something like that, which is very important. All right, so let's take a look at the aircraft. All right, fold it out. I guess you fold out these. Oh, okay. And these fold out like that. Nice. All right, let's take some of these stickers off. Got tons of stickers on this. Okay, this sticker here tells you you need to charge the battery to activate it. You have a B propeller, your A propeller here, A, B. So that's important when you're putting your props on. Make sure you put them on the right motor. And let's take these caps off here. Nice. And let's take a look at this camera. I believe you just peel this back, just like that. Nice. A lot of stickers. All right. Nice 4K camera. You're able to shoot 48 megapixel photos. This comes with optical avoidance. You have 2 on the front, you have 2 in the rear, and you don't have any on the side. And you have 2 down here on the bottom with some infrared sensors as well, and a LED light. Right here, you have your USB-C connection. And then on this side, you have your micro SD slot. Then you have some vents here on the side and in the rear. Here. Now I kind of like this form factor. It's mimics the Mavic series, like the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 series. And I guess they're staying consistent with that now. It's not that much bigger than the previous Mavic Air. And with the legs folded out, yeah, the wingspan is a little bit bigger, but it's not that much bigger. The body is not that much bigger. And it's very light, even with the battery in it. And it's even lighter without it. So let's take a look at this remote. Feels kind of good in the hands, I can tell you that. This is my first DJI drone, so this is new to me all around. It also has these rubber panels here for a good grip. Now the sticks are wedged in on the bottom here, but you just screw them in right here. Now on a remote, you have a power button, you have your toggle switch between your different modes here, tripod, normal, and sport. You have your auto land button here. Then you have a function button right over here. And it looks like your camera button. I believe you can switch between or toggle between your video and photos here. And then this is your action button. You can either take the photo or start your recording right here. And then you have your gimbal wheel right here. Also, if you press the power button, you'll press the power button once, you get an indication of how much battery in here. So I'm assuming it's 75%. And to power it on, I believe you have to do a single press and then a long press. And the same to turn it off. There you go. This will be your cell phone mount. And it stretches out to, it looks like it'll fit any cell phone. And also in this compartment underneath it is where you find your cell phone cable, your data cable. So the cable stores neatly underneath here, and you can close it. Now this mount doubles as a antenna. There's no antennas on here, no articulating antennas. All it is this mount here, and I believe it's just this right here. Maybe it's the entire mount, but I'm pretty sure this area transmits the signal. Have a nice little air vent back here, and this remote uses the OcuSync 2.0 transmission system. All right, so that's enough for the remote. Now let's put some of these props on. So like I said before, you have to be careful putting on your props. Just remember that you have an A and B prop and they go on opposite sides. So you just want to match up the gray to gray. And all you do is slide on, press, hold the motor and twist, and it's locked in. All right. And then with the other one, you find the motor without the gray marking, and you do the same, press down and twist, and then it locks in. All right, from there you're good to go. All right, so that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for future content where I go over the app. I'm going to connect everything together and go through the process of getting this operational and getting it up in the air. And also we're going to do some flights and do some testing on it with the active track and all the intelligent functions, and also shoot some footage as well and see how good that is and see how it matches up to a couple other drones that I have. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here to this channel, go go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my videos. So I can't wait to get this thing up in the air and take some footage and see what it's all about. So until next time, guys, peace.